Hai, Assalamualaikum, selamat petang. Happy New Year 2021, and I hope this year will be a better year. We, oh sorry, bukan we, saya dah bersara dah. All of you, headmaster of the orang asli. I miss all of you. We have achieved a lot dan kita telah berjaya meningkatkan kemenjadian murid di peringkat PPD, di peringkat negeri Perak, and peringkat kebangsaan. So when my first year in SKCNN, the first term, I make sure that the first term is a positive one. Make the first term a positive one, dan saya berfikiran positif supaya saya lihat walaupun ada yang negatif, saya akan positifkan dia. Positive minded person. And the second one is avoid major issue. Saya cuba hindari isu-isu yang saya rasa akan membantutkan perjalanan pengurusan saya sebagai guru besar di sekolah tersebut. The third one, develop good process. Melaksanakan pembangunan, penambahbaikan, proses-proses yang boleh membina hasil kemenjadian murid. Dan saya lihat, I look through the examination result of my pupil, not very encouraging, but I look the other side, the positive side, that my pupil can learn, happy to come to school, and they are willing to become better person in the future. Then you can see this is the Balai Sewang of Kampung Kajang, and ada pintu gerbang. Yeah. When we come to this Kampung Kajang, before we enter the village, a welcome sign of this creative gerbang for the community. Dan saya lihat yang pertama, the first school culture. Saya lihat budaya sekolah itu, saya perhati the first term of my teaching in SKCNN. Secondly, make changes, not drastically, just slowly, phase by phase. And I make sure every effort will be a success one. Dan saya pastikan bahawa semua usaha akan membawa kejayaan. Dan ketiga, getting to know the staff and community. When I first came to the school, I asked the senior teacher, Cikgu Syarul, I told him, Syarul, I want to see all the batin. And he took me. Dan dia bawa saya berjumpa dengan 6 batin yang ada di sekolah CNN. Oh, minta maaf. 5 batin tetapi daripada 5 kampung. 2 kampung itu dia tak ramai penduduknya, maka disatukan dan mempunyai only 1 batin. Only 1 batin. But there are 6 village. Then the fourth, yang keempat, information on the school performance. Saya sudah dapatkan kemajuan sekolah CNN dan saya dapat lihat bahawa CNN boleh maju. My school will become a successful one if all the effort and all the teachers, the staff of SKCNN together, do things together, bekerjasama, and have one vision, one conviction, and one mission. Maka sekolah itu akan berjaya. Dan inilah dia keadaan sekolah saya, SKCNN, dan kalau dapat perhatikan, Ini ada surau. My school, there's a hostel because the far away Kampung Kajang situation around 10 kilometer from my school. And fortunately, there is a surau, Surau Al-Falaq. Dan bila sampai saja di sekolah, kita mengadakan mesyuarat dan I want feedback to see that everything will instead and I want them to become successful. Dan kita pergi kepada seterusnya, school culture. Budaya sekolah memang budaya sekolah SK Cina ini lain daripada sekolah-sekolah bandar. A lot of different between the town school and the rural school SK Cina. In fact, all the orang asli school, they have their own culture, and it will be a mistake to any headmaster from the town school and try their best to do what they have, what the idea of the town school in the rural school, and it will fail. It was sure to fail. So I begin to know the school culture. Starting off well, 2016, in a new school will make all the difference for a new headmaster like me. Turning into culture of the school will be one of your key tasks when you begin your new job. Terutama kepada guru-guru besar baru dinaikkan di sekolah asli, anda mesti mengenali budaya. Listen, ask, and observe before acting on any issue. Perlu mengenali isu itu. Kalau isu itu tak dapat diatasi, tidak mengapa, kita buat secara perlahan-lahan dan dapatkan pertolongan daripada rakan-rakan. Tapi, kalau tersalah langkah, isu yang kecil bagi komuniti IT, dia akan jadi isu yang besar. Dan bila ada isu yang besar, maka sukarlah kita untuk mengemudi bahtera sekolah ke arah kejayaan. And first, we have to check out the traditional school activity. Become familiar with the orang asli culture and community expectation of the headmaster. Dan kita kena cuba agak bagaimana pandangan komuniti asli terhadap guru besar yang sudah terhadap guru besar dan juga sekolah. My first method was 3T. 3T. The first is captivate and capture their heart. Tambat hati mereka. Tambat minda mereka. Mengenali. Ya. Dan yang kedua, explore. Troka. T yang kedua, troka. Kita cuba troka, ya, kepercayaan, bahasa, pantalarang, dan lain-lain. Dan T yang ketiga, tafsir. Interpretation. We need to interpret. And we must know ahead. If something today happen, and we must know, we must be able to interpret what will happen next. For short, the 3T provide a useful overview of school culture and the role of the headmaster in transforming that culture. So, I get to know all the 5 batin. Batin Musa, arwahnya. He is my mentor. I will ask Ustaz Musa for advice if I have problem, and he will help me. Bukan saya saja, Guru besar lama dulu pun banyak membantu. Cikgu-cikgu pun gunakan pertolongan Ustaz Musa untuk membantu. So, Ustaz Musa baru 2 tahun telah meninggalkan kami. A great man, a lot of sacrifice that he had made in spreading of Islam to all the community. Asli in the kampung, deep inside the jungle. And Batin Dollah, he is from Kampung Kajang, also helped me a lot. Kampung Kajang community helped the school to build the Balai Sewang, and very helpful in many things. They don't have money, they are poor, but they are very helpful. Mereka tidak berduang, tapi mereka memberikan tenaga untuk memajukan sekolah. Batin Jeffrey, Batin of Kampung Bau, he is also our YDP, PIBG, and helped the school a lot. Batin Alam from Kampung Jung, he was not well now, but when he years back, he helped the school a lot, the community. Also, always come to school to help the headmaster, the teacher, if they have any problem amongst the people of his kampung Jom. And finally, Batin Aziz. He was my first mentor when I was in Jabatan Pendidikan Perak. Batin Aziz is one of our panel of courses that Jabatan and IAB, and he is one of our panel. We get idea from him, we ask question, dan bagaimana untuk memajukan asli. Dan kita dapat lihat untuk memajukan asli. Okey. Mesti ada kampung di sekolah. So, kita buatlah Balai Sewang. Ini Balai Sewang. Dan kita abadikan. Kita perkenalkan. Dan murid bila lihat kampung di sekolah, mereka tidak terasa. They are happy. Okey. Seterusnya, Ustaz Haji Osman, spiritual leader. Saya gunakan semangat beliau untuk mendekati komuniti asli. And he's the role model. He's a preacher. He's a advisor. Dan saya sendiri selalu pergi
belajar sekolah ada asrama
pada setiap hari Khamis,
untuk dapat
every
ilmu,
Thursday,
untuk makan
every Thursday I don't have any classes.
macam-macam.
After in the morning, after I have done my job
Pasal kelas yang asrama anak belajar kelas-kelas jadi
and my
tambahan
office work,
jadi
monitoring the
aku nak
classroom,
belajar lah.
monitoring the
Awak
teacher,
ke kampung ni ada kan
and
kata tu
the
mon
hostel.
kodong kini
I will
dua
go
dua
to Kampung Kajang or any kampung
kalau aja
with
cikgu
list of name,
mula-mula masuk
the people that
jadi kalau boleh
play
ibu
fluent.
orang kau cakap
Yang tak
bu
sekolah.
kau ni
Hari
tu
Khamis, memang setiap minggu saya akan
dari kampung tu
minta
kalau
secara
Islam
murid-murid yang tidak hadir, selalu tidak hadir.
tapi kalau sehat
Dan
sama
saya masuk kampung.
cikgu ajar
At first,
ayat pun mak
when I go to the kampung, I need to see the headman, the batin, for their approval, whereby when I need to see the parent of my pupil, I need to see the headman, the leader, for permission. Then only I will go to their house. Jumpa batin dulu, barulah saya dapat kebenaran untuk pergi ke rumah. Berbincang dengan ibu bapa murid-murid yang ponteng sekolah. Ini biasa saya buat pada hari Khamis. Dan hubungan yang rapat. My relationship with the community of the orang asli, any village, are very close. I was very close with the headman.
Jadi saya menjadi guru besar SKCNN ini adalah guru besar yang kedua. Dan saya belum jadi guru besar di SKCNN mulai pada 16 1987 sehingga 31 bulan 5 1994. Kalau kita lihat kedudukan Channel N dengan sekarang ada jauh berbeza.
Pengalaman Haji
Dulu
Mutai,
nak sampai dengan kereta memang payah lah.
my mentor also.
Dan satu istimewanya masa
been the
sebelum
headmaster
sekolah-sekolah
for 8
PUS
years
diambil
in SKCNN.
alih oleh
At
Kementerian
that time,
Pendidikan.
it was a
Jadi
old
SKCNN
school.
inilah yang
Ada Jaafar.
mengawal guru-guru
The orang
di
asli
PUS
dan
POI,
department.
PUS Piah,
And
PUS Legap,
lepas itu barulah
PUS Purwo dan juga
diambil
PUS
alih
Purwo.
oleh Kementerian Pendidikan Malaysia. Dan saya selalu berjumpa dengan mereka, bergaul dengan mereka macam saudara mara. My relationship with the leaders and the community just like a family, a big family. I started at SKCNA in the month of January 2016 and was fortunate to find that good organization was already in place, giving me time to observe. I don't have much headache because I already have a good team. Of course, there's one or two, but as I told you before, my first term in the school must look at the positive side of everything and talk to everyone and gauge the need of the school. I am teaching year 1 pupil, and this turned out not to be best decision I could have made as part in contact with the parent.
Salam Guzah.
Nak wek pasti wek. Aduh nak abut dah nak ajak ke.
Pergi mana tadi? Pergi mana? Pergi mana, Dik?
Mas pulang akal boleh ke?
Oh nak mak cakap dohan ni.
Ni nak yang ni bangsa apa? Anak yang kecil sekali.
Yang lain.
Oh.
Yang lain.
Adalah selalu ulang ayat ke.
Okey, Syarul cakap pula. Cakap pula.
Saya ke mendapatkan setakat ni 5 orang murid lah daripada Kampung Bawong yang tak sekolah, ada yang dah lama dah tak sekolah. Jadi 5 orang ke murid kita berjaya untuk bawa balik ke asrama ni.
Okey.
Adik api.
Ada api.
Depan sana.
Jalan dia kan.
Nanti lelong.
Siapa nak ikut dah? Siapa nak ikut dia? Siapa tadi?
Marun.
Oh, ada.
Bangun lambat. Hari Senin pergi sekolah, Hari Senin nanti pergi sekolah.
Sekolah.
My first task was my vision is, and my mission, and my conviction. I come out with the tagline, mengakar, merimbun, menggapai awan. Dan saya pastikan bahawa guru-guru memahami maknanya hadam dan juga penghayatan dalam diri. Mengakar, merimbun, menggapai awan. Dan kita dapat lihat ini dahulunya jalan ini jalan tar lebih kurang 10 km. 10 km. This is a new road, but before this all muddy road, not muddy, gravel. Dan up here there's one kampung called Kampung Kajang. And we need to have all the people in Kampung Kajang to stay at the hostel. Sebab jauh. Kalau mereka berulang, pasti satu minggu itu mungkin kehadiran mereka hanya 3 hari. Tetapi Alhamdulillah dengan adanya jalan baru ini, with the new road, I don't have much problem with my pupils to come to school. But if they don't come to school, I will go to their house and see their parents and get to know them. But of course, when we come and discuss with the parents about their children, there's a negative part and positive part. But if I look at the negative, I can't do much. So I give the confidence that their children come to school to learn, and we will help them to become obedient children towards their parents. So inilah dia keadaan sekolah persisikan sekolah saya, dan di belakang asrama ini adalah sungai Pilus. There's a river here just behind the hostel building. Then it's sometimes what do you call it? Sometimes I'm afraid to go outstation when my pupils Saturday, Sunday, they will stay in the hostel and they are not at the kampung. Maklumlah, sekolah tepi sungai, takut, dan saya tidak akan pergi jauh. Hanya sekitar Ipoh, bila anak murid saya hujung minggu tak balik kampung dan mereka tinggal di asrama. And I think of something. I will think of something, or maybe not I myself. I have groups of warden, teachers, PPM that will help me during the weekend.